Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing with Adrian. Today is the 10th episode, a small milestone, and today we're gonna unbox some tech. And by tech, I don't mean graphic cards, drones, or phones. I'm not at that level yet, but yeah, today we're gonna unbox a technology that uses NFC where you can exchange information with it, and it's called tag. Without wasting your time, let's unbox it with an a blade. Yeah, okay, whatever is it called. I mean, so let's see what do we have inside the tag. It's not actually a box, but it's really less. And that's it. That's it inside the leaflet. I mean package. That's it. Let's throw away this thing first. And here we have it. This is literally just inside the package. So basically, this is literally what's in the package. Literally just this tag right here. And right behind here we have the 3M sticker for you to stick on the back of your phone covers. Like for example, if this is my phone cover, obviously I'm using my phone to record this right now, so there's no phone here. Basically what you do is you tear away this piece of thing here, and you just, like, I'll just do an example, and you literally just stick on your phone like this. And let's say for example, if you want to exchange information, like let's say you want to give your Instagram profile to your friend. Basically, the thing that your friend needs to do is turn on his NFC on his phone, and then you take your own phone, you basically just tap on his back like something like this, and then you'll get all his profiles, his contacts, social media profiles, and all those things. If you guys are wondering, this tag doesn't only come in black. There are a lot of designs for you to choose from on their website. So if you're interested, just head on to their website and have a look. They are having a 30% discount right now. So if you're interested, you can purchase it on the link in my bio. You can purchase it for your own purposes or for businesses, retail, any purposes. Like, if you want to know more about it, check out the website, and I will roll over to the promotional video right now. And before we end the video, this video is very short. I apologize, but I will see you guys in the next episode.